Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear cache and data on Taimi application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application. Once you have done that, scroll down to apps. Once you find it, tap on it. Now using the search icon on the top right corner, type Taimi. Tap on Taimi Application. Now scroll down. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Clear Data on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on Delete to clear cache and data. And that is how you can easily clear cache and data on Taimi application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.